Yes, yes, we're back again, back at it. Solid Rock Entertainment with the solid foundation. What I'm sipping on right now to bring in the New Year's is a bottle of Reunite wine. You understand? Many a times I actually found out about this wine by doing on my Saturday show on 104.5 FM. You know, we do ads for this brand, and I was at the store the other day just shopping and looking around and happened to run into it, and I said, let me taste what this wine is all about. This wine I'm always, doing the ads for. And the album, the LP, the vinyl that I'm featuring today in the background is none other than Pinchers. Pinchers with his album entitled Agony, 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 Adachibaho, Agony, 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 in her body. 100% love, she want 100% love, 100%, no 50-30 love, she don't want that. She want the agony. Yeah, man, big bad. On the Jammies label, the blue and white label, yeah. The blue and white label, see it there? Anytime you see that, say, it's a Jammies thing, see? Yeah. Melodies Records. For those of you that's from the Bronx, New York City, you should be familiar with this sticker right here. Melodies Records. Classic. I bought this when I was in like 10th grade. Once again, lunch money edition. See? Alright, enough of that. So now the next tune we're gonna do is the Heptones once again. Heptones is one of my favorite groups from those times. Leroy Sibbles, big up yourself, much respect. Many of the instrumentals from the Lovers Rock and the Rocksteady Era and the Reggae Era, really. The bass line, who that is credited to is Leroy Sibbles, the lead singer from the Heptones, the original lead singer from the Heptones. Leroy Sibbles, man, too many to mention. We're gonna go deeper into his history in further episodes in the Solid Rock Foundation series. But let's kick it off with this one right here, the Heptones. This one is entitled Pretty Looks, right? Yeah, this one is entitled Pretty Looks. One of my favorite from the Heptones. Here we go. Kick it wet. Ooh, cha! Rice and peas on the fire.
I lost my baby, but she's coming back. Yeah, she wrote a letter stated she needs me badly, and if she comes home, I'll have a precious time, precious time. My little honey says a new guy treats her badly. It seems to me his pretty looks hypnotize her. All I can say, pretty looks isn't all, isn't all. My little honey says she's going to stay now. I asked her why, she replied she loves me dearly. She's not gonna leave me until her dying day. Dying day. She's not gonna leave me until her dying day. Dying day. She's not gonna leave me until her dying day. Dying day.
She's not gonna leave me until the dying day. Big tune, the Heptones with Pretty Looks. Some would consider it to be a big simp song. Because honestly, me, once she gone out there, I'm not taking her back. She not go get the chance to have no dying day with me. She go dead by herself. And me she go dead with. So, yeah, once she go there because of Pretty Looks, that's it. But nonetheless, this is a big tune. You know, I love the one thing about me. I'm a bass man, and I love the bass line in this song, man. The bass, vroom, 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 vroom. You can feel it in your chest, man. That bass line, you feel it in your chest. Big up Leroy Sybil's scene. Yeah, and the horn section. The horn section interprets the mode of the lyrics. If you check it, the sound, the melody from the horns, da 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 da. It gives you the vibe of what the song is talking about, right? Yeah, talented people, man. Those talented, man. I mean, Cox and Dodd. That was like that. No, that was not like. It was the Motown of Jamaica. Was the Motown of Jamaica, but too much talent, man. Too much talent. Some I'm sure we haven't even heard of. Can you imagine the music that's been locked away in the vault that was never released to the public from the studio unstable? Man, so much music. So much music. Jamaica full of music, man, may I tell you. Anyway, yes, that was the Heptones with Pretty Looks. Seeing, and we're going to keep it rolling. We're going to walk the walk and not just talk the talk. Saying, bless up. Keep it out to Solid Rock. Like, comment, share, and subscribe as usual for the vibe. Easy.